In this video, we're going to look at how you can multi-stream to YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, even LinkedIn Live if you want to, all through OBS. Hi there, David Walsh here from David Walsh Online, helping you grow your YouTube channel. If you want to stream to multiple platforms at once, like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn Live, Mixer, Twitch, and a host of other platforms all at once, then you can do so through OBS. Now, streaming to multiple platforms can be good for you. If there's low competition there and people wanting to watch your content, other platforms can be a great place to start developing an audience to get them over to your main platform. So if you are on YouTube, then going over to Facebook could be good for you, or LinkedIn Live could also help grow your YouTube channel. If you're already streaming, then it might be worth testing other platforms for your streams to see if you can grow an audience there too. So we're going to use OBS to multi-stream to multiple platforms using a little tool called Restream. So I'm going to show you how to set all that up so you can start multi-streaming to multi-platforms. So here we are in OBS. So you'll have your canvas set up with your camera, whatever titles you want, etc. So in order to stream to multiple accounts, we need to connect to Restream. So to do so, you just go down to settings here on OBS, and under stream, we go to click to Restream here. So you can select the server that's nearest you. Auto detect does actually quite a good job, so you can leave it at that. Now we do need to get a stream key, so we click on get stream key. Now if you don't have a Restream account, then just sign up for a free one. Click the link in the description below, as there is a little gift from Restream for you there. I'll come to that in a minute. So sign up for your account, and when you have, then you can connect your platforms. So all you have to do is go over here and click on add channel. So you can add a Facebook personal profile, Twitch, YouTube, Periscope. You can add LinkedIn Live if you have that. All these other platforms here you can add for free. Now, if you want to stream to a Facebook page or group, you do need a paid account. Or if you want to stream to these platforms too, they require a paid account also. So if I want to connect my YouTube here, connect YouTube events, then select from the list of accounts that you have available to you. Then click on allow, and you are good to go. Fill in any forms that need to be done on there, and you can start streaming straight away. So you'll see I have new platform here, and I can toggle these on or off if I want. I can also create titles on here if I want, and put them across multiple platforms. So if I click on create titles, I can add a quick description, and then I click on update all, then I will update all my platforms here that I have connected. So now to connect OBS, all I need to do is get my RTMP key. You can click on this link here, but if that doesn't work, then go down to the bottom here, click on settings, and then click on streaming setup. So you will have your link here. We'll have that already in OBS. So all we need to do is to copy this stream key. So click on this copy icon here. So once we have our stream key, head back to OBS. Then we can just paste that in here, paste that, and then click on OK. So once we have everything set up, then all we need to do is to make sure that we have the right platforms that we want to stream to. So we can see here, I want to go to this Facebook group, this YouTube channel, and I want to go to Periscope as well. And as I said earlier, I can toggle off any of these if I want to go to my David Walsh Online channel, if I want to go to my David Walsh Online page, if I want to go to my LinkedIn profile, my Facebook normal, or a different channel altogether. I can toggle those on or off. So once you have all of that set up, then click here and then click on start streaming. So now we have started streaming, so we can then just do as we normally would on our live streams. Now, if you are on Mac, then one good app to have is the Restream chat app. So if you look at that here, so we see when I am connected to my stream, I can then send out a message to everyone who's watching on different platforms. And then all those messages will also come into the app here. And then when you're finished, as usual, you just click on stop streaming. And if you do want to multi-stream to Facebook pages and Facebook groups, then you do need a paid option from Restream. Good news is our friends at Restream are going to give you a $10 credit when you sign up through the link in the description below. So to set up your account, simply click the link, get one of the paid options, and you will get that $10 credit. So which platforms are you going to stream into? Let me know in the comments area below, and let me know why as well. I'd love to know what you're streaming in there and also the reasons why. And if you are brand new to this channel or you just haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell to be notified when we upload videos every week. And if you want to get even more amazing OBS tricks and tips, make sure to click that link right there.